stood in Jerusalem with anger in their eyes. They whispered all their judgments and they hit me with their lies. You sat with the uncircumcised, you broke the sacred bread. I faced the doubtful faces, and this is what I said. Who am I to stand in the way of the Lord? Who am I to fight against His holy word? You can doubt my heart, you can judge my name, but the fire of the Spirit isn't ours to tame. No, I won't stand in His way. I told them of the vision and the sheet upon the ground, the creatures of the earth and sky, the voices all around. Do not call it impure. The voice from heaven spoke. The heavy chains of prejudice were shattered and they broke. Who am I to stand in the way of the Lord? Who am I to fight against His holy way? You can doubt my heart, you can judge my name, but the fire of the Spirit isn't ours to tame. No, I won't stand in His way. I saw the Holy Ghost fall down, just like the early days. The room was filled with wonder, the room was filled with praise. If God has given them the gift, the same He gave to me, how could I close the open door? How could I turn and flee? The angry whispers faded out, the room grew very still. The brothers dropped their arguments and bowed to heaven's will. They saw the truth inside my eyes, my spirit wasn't swayed. The grace of God had made a path, and I was not afraid. Who am I to stand in the way of the Lord? Who am I to fight against His holy word? You can doubt my heart, you can judge my name, but the fire of the Spirit isn't ours to tame.